Want to know how to add attachment in Trello? You would want to add attachment in Trello as this ensures that everyone involved in a project has easy access to important materials without needing to search through emails or external storage. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add attachment in Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with this video. Firstly, tap on the Trello app on your screen. Now navigate to the board containing the card where you want to add the attachment. Then tap on the card to open it. Here under the Quick Action section, you can see the Add Attachment icon. Tap on it. Likewise, you will be presented with several sources such as File, Clipboard, Attach Link, Trello, and Confluence. Furthermore, select according to your preference. Finally, the attachment will be uploaded and linked to the card, allowing you to access it directly within Trello. So this is how you can add attachment in Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.